Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how do we actually set up Salesforce in our local laptop or desktop. One of the key tools to set up Salesforce in local is Visual Studio Code, which acts as IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Visual Studio Code is a Microsoft product, but a Salesforce plugin is available, which gives us Salesforce environment in Visual Studio Code or VS Code. To set up VS Code, I'll Google Salesforce Visual Studio Code. And there comes a Trailhead link. So Trailhead is basically a learning portal where tutorials related to Salesforce are available from Salesforce company itself. I will click on one of the links from Salesforce Trailhead so that I know this is a genuine place to download VS Code. I'll scroll a bit down, click on skip for now. And now I can see there are definite steps given to set up Salesforce environment in VS Code. Here I see download and install the latest version of Visual Studio Code for your operating system. So I'll click on Visual Studio Code that guides me to a page where I can download the Visual Studio Code. Yes, I have Windows. So probably I'll just click on download for Windows. Download has started now and I'll click on open when done. I will accept the agreement, then click on next. Create a desktop icon. I'll click on install. You can see how quickly the installation is progressing and now it's done. Now we will launch the Visual Studio Code or VS Code. VS Code has launched and this is IDE, Integrated Development Environment, which means this VS Code environment will integrate with your Salesforce org and you will either deploy your code to Salesforce org or fetch the code from Salesforce org. Similarly, you can export code from GitHub or GitLab or Git in general or any other repository for that matter. Now VS Code is the IDE. But VS Code is also used for many other languages and platforms like C, C++, C#, .NET, etc. So how can you use Salesforce integrated environment in VS Code? So for that, there is an extension tab available on left-hand side panel. We will click on extension tab and we will search for Salesforce and then install what is known as Salesforce Extension Pack. So ideally, we would just have installed Salesforce CLI. Salesforce CLI is sufficient to integrate Salesforce org with the VS Code. But Salesforce CLI is also available with Salesforce Extension Pack. So Salesforce Extension Pack is more comprehensive extension given by Salesforce itself. We can see it includes all sorts of support, one of them being Salesforce CLI. Then comes Apex, then comes Aura Components, Visual Force, Interactive Debugger, much useful tool to debug where we are going wrong, especially while finding a bug. And Lightning Web Component, which is very demanding these days, and its support is much needed in our local IDE, that is VS Code. And there are many more. So we will install Salesforce Extension Pack. This might actually take some time. Don't think that VS Code is stuck or system is hanged. It's in progress, and the indication of that is this tiny little progress bar. After around 5 minutes, this is now completed and we have successfully set up Visual Studio Code for Salesforce. Many more learning in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Happy learning.